Wanted to show people, since it's so hard to find where exactly, like, to show you how to change out the hard drive on the Korg D3200. You have to take off these sides, and then at the base you have to take out these screws here, and then the ones on the other side that are there. And basically, and I'm wearing gloves, by the way, because you don't want to touch this electrical equipment, and one, it's rubber, so you don't want anything transferring over. People more with a tech know-how will tell you that stuff needs to be grounded as well. You can do that. That would probably be the best thing, but I'm doing what's available to me. And you're also going to want to get a screwdriver that is not magnetized, because if it is magnetized, you could possibly mess things up. So anyway, once you get the screws off, this portion just lifts up, and this is where the hard drive is located. The hard drive will be in there, and you basically, it's a little rough, but you got to pull this part out. See how it's got these two little things on the side? You pull that out, try and make it as evenly as you can, and then this, the same thing. I'd grab it by like here and pull it outward, and then the same thing when you reconnect. You're just gonna, which I got a new hard drive, you're just gonna go ahead and well, first you're gonna have to put the brackets on and then get it connected to here, and then you'll go ahead and just connect it the same way that you took it off. Okay, I put the little two brackets on, and you're going to use the two front holes, because if you put it back, then it's not going to fit in here. But basically, it's in there. Just match this up with the back. Match that up with the back that's in there. And I went ahead and attached it. This one, you're going to hear a click once it goes in there. And then this one, you just line up. There's like a little missing space of the prongs. You just match it up and then gently push it back in there, and it's connected. Okay, so we went ahead and started it back up. Let me tell you, you'll have to have the recovery disc in there. And first, when you turn it on, it's going to be on standby. You're going to press pan and location 2, and then turn it on, and then it should start working itself. Well, in my experience, I got an error message, and I'm thinking that is because it's a brand new hard drive. So you're going to actually press pan and location 3 instead of 2. So pan and location 3, and then press on, and it'll become the start doing the system recovery. And what it'll do is it'll also format the drive. So that's what I'm thinking was the problem, is since it's a new drive, it wasn't recognized, so I had to reformat it. Anyway, it reformatted, and there you go. I'm back at song 1, and then we go into drive and look at space, 32.2 gigs. Really, there's 40 gigs, but you know, that's what it lists there. But just want to let everybody know that's how you can go ahead and work it. And yeah, that's changing out the hard drive.